50 useful English phrases for business settings. 1. Let's touch base. 2. Can we schedule a meeting? 3. What's the deadline for this project? 4. I'll get back to you on that. 5. We need to brainstorm some ideas. 6. Do you have a moment to chat? 7. Let's collaborate on this. 8. I'll take care of it. 9. What's the status of the report? 10. We're on the same page. 11. Could you provide more details? 12. Let's think outside the box. 13. We should prioritize this task. 14. I'll send you an email with the details. 15. We need to make a decision. 16. Can you give me a progress update? 17. Please review and give your feedback. 18. We have a tight deadline. 19. Let's analyze the data. 20. I'll handle the logistics. 21. We should conduct market research. 22. Can you prepare a presentation? 23. Let's discuss the budget. 24. What are our competitors doing? 25. We need to reevaluate our strategy. 26. Let's identify the key stakeholders. 27. Please provide a cost estimate. 28. I'll follow up with the client. 29. We should conduct a SWOT analysis. 30. Do we have any action items? 31. Let's streamline the process. 32. We need to increase efficiency. 33. I'll prepare a proposal. 34. What are the deliverables for this project? 35. We should conduct a performance review. 36. Let's establish clear goals. 37. We need to adapt to market changes. 38. Can you give me a ballpark figure? 39. Let's explore new opportunities. 40. I'll delegate tasks to the team. 41. We should implement best practices. 42. What's the ROI, return on investment? 43. We need to mitigate risks. 44. Let's leverage our strengths. 45. I'll negotiate with the vendor. 46. We should conduct a customer survey. 47. What's the projected timeline? 48. Let's track our progress. 49. We need to enhance our customer service. 50. I'll prepare a financial analysis. Better ways to express 15 common vocabulary. 1. Good. Excellent. Superb. Outstanding. Remarkable. 2. Bad. Terrible. Awful. Horrible. Dreadful. 3. Happy. Delighted. Joyful. Ecstatic. Content. 4. Sad. Miserable. Grief-stricken. Heartbroken. Depressed. 5. Big. Enormous. Huge. Gigantic. Massive. 6. Small. Tiny. Petite. Miniature. Minuscule. 7. Nice. Pleasant. Charming. Agreeable, gracious. 8. Funny. Hilarious. Amusing. Comical. Entertaining. 9. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Stunning. Breathtaking. Exquisite. 10. Ugly. Hideous. Repulsive. Unattractive. Unsightly. 11. Interesting. Fascinating. Captivating. Intriguing. Engaging. 12. Boring. tedious, monotonous, uninteresting, dull. 13. Smart, intelligent, clever, brilliant, wise. 14. Stupid, foolish, dumb, idiotic, ignorant. 15. Tired, exhausted, fatigued, weary, drained. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!